how to use Safe Relax. Hello, my name is Audrey. I'm a training manager at Campus Antogir. In this short video, I will present you the Safe Relax, an automatic system to be connected to any standardized micromotor for a controlled and easy removal of cemented crown and bridges. Ready? Let's go! One, get started. Two, choose the right accessory. Three, replace a wire tip. Four, maintain your equipment. As you've seen, the Safe Relax enables you to remove cemented crowns and bridges without damage, easily, and with a full control. I hope you liked this video and our product, and I wish to see you soon for another Campus video tutorial.